Right, well, the microphone didn't work, so I'm just speaking over this while I'm editing. Basically, I'm just apologising for, that's a good view. I'm apologising for the weird intro, but we're about to do a hike, so it's going to cut some clips of us hiking or walking around the hikes and seeing waterfalls for the first time in our lives. Both of us haven't seen waterfalls before. So yeah, enjoy this little montage because there's no talking at all. We're heading for Colorado. I think we're going to be passing through Wyoming soon, so we're going to get the sign for that. But it's very nice around here. It's like grass and red sand mixed together. It's really weird. It's like you can tell we're going into that deserty part of the country. We're just getting some gas, or as I like to call it, petrol. It's just started raining here. As you can see from the shots before, was the lightning, but now, out of nowhere, completely heavy rain. Quite relaxing. We're under shelter, so that's not making a noise much. Spoke too soon. But yeah, this is going to be interesting driving through here. Pretty scary. Yeah. Just got to a campsite, got our filling greases out. Guess this is where we're staying for the night. I need to wash my hair, but they said there were showers, but I don't see any showers. Where were they?